Flowmaster and 6.1 headers, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. All right. What the? Legendary. Oh, he went in the mud.
Windshield?
Yeah.
Touchscreen.
Oh, really?
Phone function on the touchscreen.
Yeah. Worth more than the car.
Yeah.
7Gs. Right? What the guy is that?
I got it powder coated too.
Yeah. Iron Man.
Just Gene parked beside me.
She'll remember it. That's what I get.
Yo, that's one parking spot.
Yeah.
Bruh. Bruh.
Your cousin did it.
What?
I didn't do it.
You sure?
Come cat. Oh, he did it.
My.
Some China. Some China.
Oh my Lanta.
Oh my Atlanta.
Look at this 300.
Go. Look at those rims. Woo!
Wow.
Oh,
Oh yeah?
oh wow. I love that. Hey, that's a good idea. That's a good idea. Is it just like take a card, any card? Mopar Mafia.
We got rims. Holy.
The rims are dope. I like the rims.
Peter Lamarche's fucking rim.
No, that's Magnum Mafia.
Oh.
What is this guy's video?
Yeah, for sure.
Wow.
Well, wait.
Hear this run. Whoever owns this. It's 300. Right? I like that snorkel too.
Nice grill.
Oh.
Nice grill. Looks familiar.
Wow.
Is that turbo?
Huge out there. That is clean though.
Yeah.
It's very nice.
Literally, so clean.
Nobody else has saw that kid.
Oh, that's pretty loud. That's not bad. You got a drone on that? No drone? Yeah. Not bad. I like it. What's the exhaust? It's 3-inch to 2.5, right?
3 to 2.5 to 5-inch tip.
That's the one right there. 5-inch tips.
That's awesome.
So, yo, what kind of exhaust you got on yours, man?
Got some BBK long tube headers.
Yeah.
To the H pipe, all 3 inches all the way back to Flowmaster Outlaws and 4.5 inch tips.
Yeah. 4.5? Okay, not bad. So it looks like Iron Man. So was that the intent?
That was the intention.
Oh, really? Yeah. Okay. And your rims, not Foos, Ferradas. Did you order those? You actually order those?
Yeah.
I like it.
It's 300 fitting, eh?
Yeah.
It's rumble, but not obnoxious.
Sounds really good. Not bad, Greg. So it was kind of custom fitted onto this, right?
Just had to adapt it at the front.
Yeah.
Because it's 2.5 factories, so he adapted it on.
Yeah. Sounds really good, yeah.
It's got a nice tone to it.
Yeah. Any drone? Yeah.
Remember this one broke off?
Yeah.
That one of the studs is broken, it's coming apart, so we had to redo that one too.
Yeah.
It's a good thing I took it to him, because if I tried to do that myself, I'm like, well, I need to go to Dave anyway now, there's exhaust hacked off it.
No, I like it. Sounds really good.
So you had to bend some things, like, sorted out, because like you said, it looked like it got run over by a trailer.
Yeah.
And then reattached the cat and everything, and it was $300.
Yeah.
You could argue that.
$300.
$300 to put it on to all that. And they bought the cat back for $150.
Yeah.
So you're $450. That's still
That's way cheaper.
$450 with install. Like, yeah, okay.
Yeah. I like it. Magnaflow. Never thought you'd get a Magnaflow.
Well, 150. I'll get anything and try it.